Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. We just got back from a bike ride. Let me check my Strava and you can verify Daisy's miles by going to Strava. This is what we just got back from, 18.43. We left here over 2 hours ago. But we went to the Dollar Tree and Walmart and we went to the Mexican restaurant. And you can follow us if you watch this video. She has 100 miles. She has 100 miles. Headed in to see if they have any fashion packs for Daisy. I have most of what they have and I like them. These are really cute, upside down, on the rainbow high dolls. But I'm getting this for the shirt for my, well, Blythe, Barbie, Rainbow High, and probably LOL. And the pants are really cute on Blythe too. I have this packet, but I want that white shirt. They had these cute little bowls. There's 4 of them with sample size spoons. Real cute for baby alives, real cute. And this inflatable flamingo. I don't know what I'm doing with it, but I have all that flamingo print fabric, so you'll probably see it in the video. I wanted to point out that the Dollar Tree has these really cute little clothespins. You get 50 for $1. These are cute if you do hang your doll clothes. You can use these to hook your skirts and pants and shorts to a hanger. These are good for Barbie shoes or little Barbie accessories. Just anything for your dolls that would fit in there. Any of the Rainbow High dolls you need, they have these and a whole nother shelf around the corner. And now we are at the Mexican restaurant and they know us here and they let us sit right by our bikes, see them outside the window, and we lock them and then we come in here. Probably don't need to, we live in a safe area, but it's a long walk home. I think we're at 9 miles with Walmart. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Daisy now has 112 miles, just over. How many do you have out walking or riding a bike? If you don't want to go alone, take a doll with you. It's fun, it's good for you, and it clears your head. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.
And here's to another